Hi everyone, I am back with the new spot prize giveaway fun game. This is a really fun one, so let me show you what's up for grabs and then tell you how you have a chance of winning them. And obviously every day it goes on, I will add more items. Okay, so we have a couple of these lovely little journaling spot cards that I've made. And this is using that lovely stamp set that Christine sent me in Happy Mail. My rabbit one from my AliExpress, some lovely lace trim and a little charm on that one. This one has napkin, an old vintage stamp and a butterfly, and using one of those stamps and some pearls. Then I have one of these Project Life cards with some buttons on, and I've just painted it as well. That's so good. This is using my word punch board, and I've just made a tag. This is one of the AliExpress tags. This is from a card from an AliExpress seller actually, and I just loved it, so I turned it into a journal spot that you can write on, a tuck spot or a pocket, or just do whatever you want with it. It's very cute. This is from one of my old Ladybird books that I've turned into a journaling card. Very colourful. This is a little book made with coffee dyed paper, and I've just left the front there so you can decorate it. And this is one of those Rolodex tuck spots that I've decorated with a charm and some lace and excuse me for sniffing, and some book pages. So that's what's up for grabs at the moment, and let me tell you how you take part. Now this is a bit different because this has rounds in it, so those who get the correct answer will go through to the next round, and we'll keep on going until we're down to one. So every day I'm going to give you a question, and it's a choice of 2 answers. So it's 50-50 chance whether you get it right or not, and whether you go on to the next round. So it is a thing of getting, sorry. So you will be eliminated if you get the wrong answer. If you get the correct answer, you go on to the next round. But if you get it wrong, you're out for this whole game. Okay, so it's not like you have a different chance every day. If you're out, then you're out. Okay, so you get it? So the question today is, if Charming said to me on Sunday, let's go out for dinner, which would I choose? Steak and chips or a Sunday roast carvery? So would I want to go to a steakhouse, or would I want to go to a carvery? So it's one of those answers. So excuse me, just give me one answer. If you get it correct, you'll go through to the next round. So tomorrow I will be back to tell you who has progressed to the next round, and those people get a chance for the next question. Excuse me, and we'll keep on going until we're down to one winner. Every day I will add something else into the pot. So today's question: on a Sunday, if Charming said to me, what do you fancy, what would you prefer to go and eat? So would I choose steak and chips or a Sunday roast carvery with lamb and chicken or pork or whatever? Those of you that, I don't know if you have carveries in other countries, I'm sure you do. So one answer. If you get it correct, you progress to the next round. And we'll keep going till we have one lucky winner. So good luck, everyone. I look forward to hearing from you all, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.